Hello everyone, myself Sneha Yogesh Bhore and welcome to my channel Agri Guru Sneha. Today we are going to study rice cultivation. Rice, also known as paddy. The botanical name is Oryza sativa, family Gramineaceae. Chromosome number is 2n is equal to 24. Origin Indo-Burma region, Southeast Asia. Climate C3, short day plant and required humid climate. Short day plant are those plants form flowers only when day length is less than 12 hours, also known as long night plant. And the examples are soybean, rice, jawar, green gram and cotton. The fruit type of rice is Caryopsis. Rice is a self-pollinated crop. There are two types of pollination, self-pollination and cross-pollination. In self-pollination, the pollen from the anther is deposited on the stigma of the same flower or another flower on the same plant. This is the perfect image of rice. This is the panicle, then leaf, then internode, node, stem and the roots. The hulling percentage of rice is 66 or 2/3 of paddy. Hulling means removing the cover of grains by milling and polishing action. The test weight of rice is 25 gram. Asked in many examinations. Soil required for rice is clay and clay loam. pH is between 4 to 6. The grain or caryopsis is tightly enclosed by the lemma and pellia, collectively called the hull. This question is asked in 1997 IARI PhD examination. Let us see classification of rice. Genus Oryzia have 24 species, out of which 2 are cultivated. The first one is Oryza sativa and the second is Oryza glaberrima. Oryza glaberrima is grown in West Africa only. Oryza sativa diploid, chromosome number 2 and is equal to 24. It has 3 main geographic races. The first one is Indica, second is Japonica, third is Javanica, that is balu rice. Indica grown throughout the tropics and subtropics in India. Japonica grown in Japan. Javanica, that is balu rice, grown in Indonesia. Let us see seasons, sowing time and harvested period of rice. August rice required, sown in April and May, harvested in September, October. Almond rice, that is kharif, grown in June, July and harvested in November, December. Boro, that is spring rice, grown in November, December and harvested in March, April. Let us see different methods and their required seed rate. The first method is broadcasting and seed rate required is 100 kg per hectare. In broadcasting method, seeds are sown broadcast by hand. This method practices those areas which are comparatively dry and less fertile and don't have much labor to work in the fields. The second method is drilling. Seed rate required is 6 kg per hectare. In drilling method, plugging of land and sowing of seed is done by 2 persons. This method is mostly confined to peninsular India. The third method is hybrid rice and the seed rate required is 15 kg per hectare. The last decade of 1970, hybrid rice was firstly developed by China by using cytoplasm male sterility fertility restore gene system. After China, India is the second country to commercialize hybrid rice of APRH first, APRH second Andhra Pradesh, KRH Karnataka and MGR first Tamil Nadu. The fourth method is depot method and seed rate required is 1.5 to 3 kg cube. This method was introduced from Philippines. In this method, seedling becomes ready for transplanting on 12th day after seedling. It comprises raising of a dense stand of seedlings without contact of soil. This is very important method. Let us see major diseases of rice. The first one is Khaira disease of rice. Second is rice blast. Third is brown spot of rice. Fourth is shell blight of rice. Fifth is bacterial leaf blight. And sixth one is shell rot of rice. In this video, we discuss about Khaira disease of rice. And the next 5 diseases we will discuss in my next video. Khaira disease of rice. First reported in 1966 at Pantnagar, Uttarakhand by Y.L. Nene. This is an important physiological disorder of rice plant. Initially, Dr. Nene studied the symptoms in relation to microbes or any other pathogen, but wouldn't find any relation between them. Later, he found that the pH of the soil is high, that is alkaline, where the prevalence of Khaira disease is more and pH of non-affected soil was less. He knew some nutritious availability is dependent on the pH of soil. Then he started to analyze the soil in laboratory. Finally, he found that there is deficiency of zinc in soil, where Khaira disease is seen. It's a physiological disorder rather than a disease. Let us see the image. In this picture, the tip of the lip is yellow. Dusty brown patches are seen on a leaf of rice. The whole lip lamina covered by dusty patches. These patches looks like rust in iron. On lower leaves, chlorosis is seen. Chlorosis means lack of chlorophyll. Symptoms and identification. The first symptoms is appearance. Symptoms appear after sowing in nursery or field and transplanting in field, which is 15 to 30 days. Then second symptom is chlorosis. Chlorosis means lack of chlorophyll. Chlorosis starts from the base of leaves. It is common in younger plants. The midribs at the base become chlorotic in younger leaves. The third symptom is root growth. Plant root growth is restricted. Roots also turn brown in color. And fourth is bronzing. That is, bronzing appears on leaf surface in the form of blotches. Okay. There is 3 stages. The first one is tip of the lip become yellow. Second, leaves start drying. Third, plants become stunted. In detail, appearance, chlorosis, root growth and bronzing. Management of the disease. Application of zinc sulfate. First, on an average, 25 kg zinc sulfate per hectare should be applied. It can be done before transplanting or sowing. The next application of zinc sulfate is done after 3 years. Second, root treatment. The roots of seedling should be applied in 2% of ZNO suspension. Third is spraying zinc sulfate. 0.5% zinc sulfate solution is used as spraying agent. It is done once crop is affected. Spraying is done 3 times at 15 days interval. Let us see some questions. Which state is the largest producer of paddy? The first option is West Bengal, second option is Andhra Pradesh, third option is Punjab, fourth option is Gujarat and fifth option is Maharashtra. And the answer is West Bengal. Second question. What is the responsible gene for darkness of paddy? The first option is phytosome, second option is DGO gene, third option is DNA, fourth option is RNA. And the answer is DGO gene. The third question is rice is a type of plant. First option short day plant, second long day plant, third self pollinated plant, and fourth is first and third. And the answer is first and third. That is, rice is a short day plant as well as self pollinated plant. The fourth question is protein of paddy called. The first option is origin, second mycoprotein, third tofu, and fourth is tempeh. This then you will give me the answer in comments. This is the whole information on rice classification, seed rate, and the Khaira disease of rice. I hope all your concepts in today's video is clear. If you have any questions, ask in comments. Thanks for watching my video.